Hi, welcome to my Atelier project video. The very first design workshop turned out to be a great start for my design direction development. Reflecting on what is beautiful and what is ugly, I came to conclusion that this can be only a subjective opinion, and for me personally, ugly things can be very affecting and inspiring. Deconstructing a garment was daring and fun, so I decided to work with this direction further. Next important step for my process was genderless and gender-conform topic. I got particularly interested in genderless direction. Genderless is just human, so I ended up making modified, alien-looking human body shapes. It pushed me towards research into real cases of body modification. For example, it can be a cultural code like scarification in West African tribes, or people want to stand out and look like genderless aliens on purpose. Then, this subject gave me an idea to research into other unusual notions. For example, there are colors and light waves invisible for human eye, but visible for birds and insects. Here is a visualization of what could world look like if we were able to see ultraviolet light spectrum. By the way, insects are unique and mysteriously developed creatures. For example, butterfly wings have nanostructure texture which reflect certain wavelength, and human eye sees color which is not the same as wing actual pigment. Third important topic was function and decoration. I figured out that between function and decoration detail purposes there are two more directions: function for decoration and function as decoration. During workshop, I made a reconstructed fabric sleeve sample as decorative element, detachable pocket, and bodice inspired by protection function. Additionally, I created some experiments inspired by angular and organic workshop and research into deconstruction. I have strong personal interest for pattern making, and following my basic shape reconsideration brainstorm, I made a very fun sample which refers to spiky organic texture. I really want to continue with such experiments, so it ended up in my toolbox. From design and making experiments, I chose satin stitch and drawn thread embroidery for further development. These techniques, which change fabric density, give endless possibilities for material manipulation in terms of my chosen design direction. Further investigation into insect morphology and development gave me an idea for metamorphosis concept, which main idea is belief in bright future in drastically changed world where humans evolved into better creatures with some insect futures like metamorphosis, whose main interests in life are peace and scientific development. This idea resonated with my deconstruction direction very well, and together with protective function and contrast between stiff and soft, it formed a toolbox. The tools are clash of shield and soft, classic garment reconsideration, pattern deformation, embroidery which changes fabric density, material construction, removable details, and protection. For silhouette experimentation, I took shield insect exoskeleton parts and created repetitive texture, wide shoulders, and asymmetrical organic shapes for further collection inspiration.